Okay, so this portion onwards is not there for MCQ 3. Clear? Okay. So, what do you mean by potential energy? So, gravitational energy already you learned, energy in motion. Similarly, potential energy is the energy possessed by body at a particular position. Okay, look at this slide. You will able to see the slide has some 1 minute. Okay, if you look at the slide, you will able to see that potential energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its position. Potential energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its position or state. That means when you are at rest, what happened? You are not moving. So when you are now, everyone is sitting in your own chair, on your chair, and you are not moving. So at present, the energy what your body has is potential energy. So since we are having the food, we have a muscular energy also. So it's a muscular energy, we call it as a potential energy. Similarly, if you keep a book on the table, you can say that the book is having potential energy because it is at rest or it is at a particular position. Okay, so mainly we have two types of energy. One is known as gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy means if an object is at a particular position above the surface of the earth, an object at a particular position above the surface of the earth, above the surface of the earth, then we can say that it is having a potential gravitational potential energy. Now you don't have gravitational energy, you are sitting on the chair that is above the surface, on the surface of the earth, on the surface of the earth. But suppose you climbing on the tree, just like this cat does. If you climb on the tree or you climb on the ladder, just like this man does, then in that particular height, the potential energy of your position, that is gravitational potential energy. But now you are sitting on the surface of the earth, on the chair, on the table. Now you have a simple potential energy. So that is the difference between gravitational potential energy and the potential energy. Gravitation means just like a cat, it is above the surface of the earth. Like this man, he is climbing on the ladder, he is above the surface of the earth. So the energy possessed by that person is known as gravitational potential energy. Therefore, how can you calculate the potential energy? By the equation, that is energy is equal to mgh, that is mass into acceleration due to gravity into height. Mass into acceleration due to gravity, and this is also another form of energy. Therefore, we call it as Joule. Okay, students. So whenever you run, now you are at rest. Suppose you started walking, then what is happening? Your potential energy is the one which is converting into kinetic energy. Okay, so energy is one only. Energy is one, but depending upon the situation, we have different forms of energy. We have different forms of energy. That is what we have learned in the beginning of the class. Yes. Yeah. Look at this slide. You can see that there's an arrows are indicate various forms of energy. So potential energy, chemical energy, kinetic energy, heat energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, sound energy, nuclear light energy. These are different forms of energy. That means these energies are not something different. It is same energy, but what happened? It is depending upon the situation. Depending upon the situation, all this energy will get, depending upon the situation, all this energy will get different names. For example, a bulb is lighting. In bulb is lighting, what type of energy the bulb uses, Fisan? When bulb is lighting, what is the energy helping the bulb to light?
Light energy.
No, light energy is the one which is coming.
Electricity.
Electrical energy.
Electrical.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So electrical energy means it is the motion of the electrons. That means it's a one part of kinetic energy. So whenever we have a different situation, the energy will be called in different names. That is the only difference. All have one energy. So when you light the energy, which energy is becoming a light? Electrical energy. So electrical energy is converting into light energy. Another thing is when you burn up paper pieces, when you burn the paper pieces, what type of energy is converting?
Chemical energy.
Chemical energy. Chemical energy of the paper is converting into which type of energy? When the paper light, what type of energy you get it?
The paper will become ashes.
Ashes. Okay, whenever paper burns or dry leaves burn, what type of energy it comes?
Heat energy.
Heat energy. That is a heat energy. So that what do you say that? Chemical energy of the paper, because paper is made out of chemicals. So whenever you light, chemical energy of the paper is converting back into heat energy. And after heat energy, you told me there are some ashes. Again, that heat energy turning into chemical energy. Ash is a chemical composition. So that means our life is full of energy, different forms. So actually why we learn the physics actually is the study of energy and different forms of material or matter, we call solid, water thing. Similarly, when you boil the water, can you tell me what type of energy conversion is there? Boiling water, what type of energy conversion is taking place? Once the water boil, what will become? If you continue boil the water, what happened to the water? What happened to the water when you continue boiling the water?
Water will be very heat. Very,
Water will be turned into
very hot.
what you call for it? Whenever the boiling started, what happened to the water?
Evaporation.
Evaporator means water is turning into vapor. Correct. So now you tell me, to become vapor, what is the conversion of energy in that? Vapor is what substance? Vapor, ice, what type of substance it is? Eva, what type of substance is Eva? Vapor. Solid, liquid or gas? Vapor belong to which group?
Liquid.
Ma'am, liquid, solid.
Now you say this is gas. Vapor is a gas.
Yeah.
So it is a part of chemical substance. Correct? Correct. So in order to become water into vapor, what type of energy you used? Anyone?
Heat energy.
Which energy?
Heat energy.
Heat energy. So when water is turning into vapor, heat energy is converting back to chemical energy. Correct? Yes. Similarly, now I am talking to you. You are able to listen to me. Can you tell me how the sound travels and reaches to you? Now you are not in front of me, you are in somewhere else. Everyone is different parts of the, some are out of India, I hope so. So some are different parts. Now you tell me, My sound should reach you. What are the conversion taking place? Think and say.
Ma'am, the electrics, that is sound. We go
Huh?
using the electric energy.
You see electric energy. Okay. Okay, Fizan, you gave me answer. Rohan, can you modify the answer of Fizan's? He said using electrical energy. So my sound energy reaching to you. So can you tell me the conversion? When I speak, what happens? Sound energy, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And when, why I am connecting this through this wire? For what? Is my sound is traveling in the form of sound in the wire?
No, ma'am.
Ah,
Electricity.
energy conversion.
Uh,
If the power, if the current goes, can you hear my voice there?
no, ma'am.
No. So what type of energy?
Electricity.
So here what is the conversion through the microphone? This is my microphone. Through the microphone, sound energy converted back into electrical energy. Okay, Roshan? When it reaches to your headset, what conversion taking place, Roshan?
Sound energy.
Okay. So what is happening here? Sound energy converted into electrical energy, and then when you hear me, electrical energy is converting again back to sound energy, because in our headset there are some components inside. So that digital components are the one which is converting sound into electricity or electricity into sound. Clear? So this is, so from this what you understand. Okay, can I give me some examples? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Can you tell me what type of energy conversion in photosynthesis? Huh?
Nitrogen will
Nitrogen. Oh, what type of energy? Light? Correct.
will convert light.
Light energy. So what the plan is, what is photosynthesis, children? You have completed now. Photosynthesis means what?
The process of making food. in plants.
Making food by the plants. Okay. So to make the food, what the plants do first?
Maybe it will be evaporate water.
Okay, before that, he take the water, he take carbon dioxide. Only that is enough for the food to cook. What else they wanted? Photosynthesis means what?
Sunlight. They need hot sunlight.
Yeah, water and all these are different components they use. But I ask what type of energy they are using to convert it into food? I am asking you.
Heat energy.
Say loud enough. You correct.
Energy.
What energy they are using?
Heat energy.
Heat
Heat
energy. Heat energy. Heat energy we uses, no? We human being use the gas stove cooker. Plants, they use heat energy. What else they use? Simple question. Think. What energy they use? Nabil, any idea? Some of you know the answer, but you don't know whether it's a correct or wrong. That's the problem. Tell me just what type of energy the plants take in order to cook the food.
Solar energy.
Correct. Exactly.
Solar energy.
Solar energy. Correct, Nabil. Solar energy or sunlight energy. Coming correct. Heat energy used we human being. You cook the food. But plants, they absorb the solar energy, and with the help of carbon dioxide, water, they convert it into food. And how they store, in which form of energy they store the food? Solar energy they take, they cook the food, and how the food is stored, in which form of energy? In which form of energy? Simple, no, children. Whenever you eat vegetable, what you get in our body?
Energy.
Energy. what are the other components you get? 7th standard you learn on nutrition. What are the things you get in our body?
vitamin, protein,
Amino acids, protein, fats, carbohydrates. What type of, what are they? What type of substances they are? Amino acid, carbohydrates, proteins. What type of substance are they? Chemistry, corporate chemistry there. Amino acids, glucose. What type of substance are they?
Chemical.
ma'am, that's a form of energy.
A form of energy, but what type of substance are they?
Chemical substance. Chemical substance.
I'm not like solid, liquid or gas. What you call for these common substances? Glucose, amino acid. Physics or chemistry that belong to? Children, vitamins, carbohydrates, amino acids, what type of substance are they? Are they physical substance, chemical substance?
Chemical.
I wanted that answer. Chemical substance. So what type of energy they are?
Chemical energy.
Chemical energy. So in photosynthesis, what type of conversion? Solar energy or light energy converted into chemical energy. Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
You know the answer, but think the main energy. Clear? Okay. Let me talk about the fan. A fan is moving. Everyone has a fan in your room. What type of energy conversion they have?
Electric energy.
Electrical energy converting into what? When you switch on the current, what happened to the fan?
It will be
Wind energy.
Wind energy. Before wind energy, in order to get wind energy, what should the fan will do when you switch on? It will
Electricity.
electricity. It
Pass.
will take and it will
be slow wind.
moving.
Converted
Converted
into
into
wind.
moving energy. No, what type of energy it is? Moving energy.
Wind.
Wind energy.
Wind energy is that also energy, but that is before. In order to get wind, what should fan do? Simply fan stay there. Will you get the wind energy? What?
No, ma'am.
It will.
Electricity will pass.
Electricity passes. Then what happened to the blades of the fan? That's my question.
It will spin.
It will spin or rotate, or the fan will start moving. So what conversion it is taking place? Electrical energy converting into kinetic energy. Correct? Fan is a machine which gives us a artificial breeze. Correct? So because of this kinetic energy, you will get wind. So there are 3 conversion. Which are the 3 conversion? Electrical energy converting into kinetic energy. Since fan is a machine, we call it as a mechanical energy also. Because fan is an artificial machine to get us breeze. Otherwise, how you get the breeze? You have to go out, you have to get the wind. Otherwise, here what is happening? It's a machine, so you can write either kinetic energy or mechanical energy. Similarly, mixer grinder. You use mixie, no, to make a chutney and all. What is the conversion in mixie? Can you tell me? Mixie is a machine. So what type of conversion taking place? From where, which energy to which energy to convert?
Electrical energy to kinetic energy.
Yes, electrical energy to kinetic energy. Or you can say mechanical energy, because since it is a machine, you can call it as mechanical energy. Fan movement. Fan movement is also electrical energy to kinetic energy, then wind energy. So once it start rotating, the kinetic energy converted back to wind energy. That is why you are getting the breeze. So did you get the idea? Okay. Another point. Just think, a cat is lying on the doorstep of your house. The cat was sleeping. Fizan, you just go, you feel bored of physics. So you saw the cat is sleeping. What do you do usually? Do you love cat? Or you take the cat in your lap? Or what do you do? If you are a naughty boy, what do you do? What do you do? You will? You will kick that cat, correct? If you are a naughty boy, the cat was sleeping. Because some of the students will do. If you are a naughty boy, as a fun, the cat was sleeping, a small cat, you just kick the cat. Because the cat is yours, no? You can do whatever you want. Now, can you tell me what conversion of energy in that?
False.
What is a conversion of
False.
energy?
False.
Okay. Before kicking, what was the energy for the cat? Tell me. It was sleeping, no? What was energy in the cat before kicking? It was lying down, no, at a particular position. So what type of energy it has? Energy at rest. What do you call for it? Rachel, you are saying, you can tell me loud enough.
Kinetic thrust. Kinetic, not moving.
It's moving. After kicking, it is moving. Before kicking, it was not moving. So what energy? It is lying down on a particular place. What is the energy at rest I taught you the beginning of the class?
Potential. Potential.
Potential energy. Correct. So when the cat was lying down, it has potential energy. While you kick, that potential energy converted into into kinetic energy. Actually, how that conversion taking place? You kick with that force, energy conversion. So from this, what I trying to say that from this you coming to another important point is conservation law of energy. So why I am giving you all this example to come to a important point, we call it as conservation law of energy. So next heading, conservation law of energy. So what did I tell you? Same energy. Energy is one, but depending upon the situation, it is converting into different forms. That is what I try to explain to you. Okay. So all this conversion means energy, only one energy in the universe, but you will experience that energy in different forms. So that means first one, we call it as energy. So this is the statement of one. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Neither be created nor be destroyed. It only transfers. It only transfer means just passing. It only transfers from one form to another form. Okay, energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It only transfers from one form to another form. So this is known as conservation law of energy. Okay, so we can write some examples. So for example, you can write photosynthesis Photosynthesis, what happened? You can write it solar energy, or light energy. For example, photosynthesis, solar energy or light energy. Put an arrow. Arrow indicates that it is converting into chemical energy. One example. Then fan. Another example, you can write motion of the fan. Motion of the fan. That is electrical energy. Electrical energy. Put an hyphen. How it is converted into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy in bracket. You can also write, since it is a machine, you can write instead of kinetic, you can also write mechanical energy. Mechanical energy. Or mechanical energy, that you can write in bracket since it has got. Okay. Rizwan Mathur is not in your class, no? He's 9A student, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because he's trying. So I give you a set of situations. You have to tell me from where to where. Everyone should write. So how to write? Electrical energy, put hyphen, which energy? Okay, so like that. So you do it now. Let me check it. How much you understood. First one. Write the first situation and then you have to write a bulb lights. So you have to write which energy to which energy. How I written example like that. Okay. Okay. For fifth one, 5-1, you write it, okay? Give me the conversion in both. Another one.
What you want to do?
Mobile charging.
Ma'am, what you want to do?
You have to write the way I have given you as an example. You have to write from where to where the conversion took place.
Okay.
Whether from electrical energy to this or 1 minute, it is moving. I just shift it. First one, bulb lights, burning of a candle, playing football, burning of wood, falling a leaf, mobile charging. Aaron is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Agna Anto? Agna, absent. Alisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anuj? I saw him entering. Anuj? Are you present, Anuj? I'll put absent if you don't say. Angela, Susan, correct. Lena was present. Delvin present. Ilana present. Isha present. Eva present.
Ma'am,
Shifa.
Krista present.
Krista was present. Okay. When did you join?
Starting itself.
Alicia, Christoph, Fizan, Raya, Nabil, Navneet Krishna,
I'm Nihal present.
Mohammad Nihal. Okay, Mohammad Nihal. Nasil is absent, correct?
No, Nasim present.
Nasil present. Okay. Some of you don't switch on the video. I can't see your face. I don't know. I won't understand if you come in the school. That's the condition. If you switch on only, I'll come to know who is that. 1 year is past. Some of the students really, I don't know. Rachel George was there in the beginning. Rachel George. She was there in the beginning, I think. So in between must have gone. Rohan Raj, Roland, Roshan Jain, Sweta, Vishnu, Eva, Lena, Delvin, Roland. Nelvin, and if you don't show your face, I won't recognize you. I think you are happy with that way. After 1.5 years, because you will be coming to the next June or something, in case. So that is the time you are in 10th standard. I won't be knowing. Peta, did you raise your hand? Yeah, Nasrin's come. Nasrin, the first time I am seeing you. Huh? I never saw you. Really, I'm telling you. I don't know whether you see me. You must have seen me. Video off, no? First time I am seeing Nasrin. This is the condition going to be. If you don't show your face, naturally I don't recognize you. 1 year, a teacher cannot recognize children means that is not a good thing, no? That's what. Nasreen, are you okay? Shall we go to the first one? First one, I will start from the board itself. Okay, Navneet Krishna, because Fizan every time give me answer. Okay. Navneet, bulb lights. Can you give me the answer? From where to where?
Electrical energy to light energy.
Electrical energy to light energy. Oh, okay. 1 minute. Yes. So how do you write that? You will write, I am writing short form because there is no place. Electrical energy, put the hyphen and you should write light energy. I'm writing short form, but you should write. Okay. Sveta, burning of a candle. What conversion, Sveta? You have to think candle is made up of what substance? Is it physical or chemical substance?
Can I say?
Sweta, no. Sweta, unmute and tell me because you are giving answer name. Let me ask the student, those who don't know. Then only come to know. Can you unmute and give me the answer, Sweta? Don't disappear. The moment I think you all will disappear. How do we learn then? Sweta, I don't. She disappeared. Okay, Meghna, can you give me burning of a candle? Even it will going to be wrong, no problem. We will learn. That's it. First, candle is what substance? We are making artificial substance, no, Meghna? So what substance it is? Candle, because it is you have learned a candle is a physical change, chemical change. All this you have learned in small classes. So what is candle? Burning of a candle.
Chemical substance. Chemical.
Who said that?
Yeah.
Chemical energy. Children, if you make a mistake, no problem. At least answer it. That's good, no? Yes, chemical energy too.
Light energy.
Light energy, very simple. Why are you scared of? Just say it like that. Because same students giving answer means I don't understand others. Okay, playing football, I know everyone knows. Nihal, playing football. Playing football, tell me. Mohammad Nihal. If you are playing football, what type of conversion it is? Fast?
Second one, chemical energy to heat energy now.
Candle we are using for what purpose? For lighting.
Yes,
Yes, there is some part of energy is converting into heat energy. That's okay. But main energy form is light energy. Correct? We are using candle for getting light.
Yes.
So you can write chemical energy to light energy and heat energy, no problem. But majority we are using candle for lighting. My second question, Nihal, playing football. What type of conversion when you play football? Fast? Lena, you can tell me because others are taking a lot of time. What conversion?
Physical energy.
Physical energy. What you call for physical energy? You are learned in 7th, 8th standard. Muscular energy into? When you start moving, playing football means you start moving, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So what type of energy it is? Energy in motion.
ma'am, kinetic.
Correct. So only Fishan is giving me answer. Fizan. What about others? I don't know. Vishnu, burning of wood. Fast. Burning of wood. Fast. Wood is a what type of substance? Chemical energy into
light
what
energy.
Light. And more than light, what you get when the wood? Heat. Because we are using wood to get heat. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Some part of the energy converting into light energy. What you are saying is correct. But major energy conversion is heat energy. Because you are cooking the food without. Okay. Delvin, falling a leaf. Leaf was on the tree, then it started falling. So what is the energy conversion in that? Fast. Bell is going to time up.
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy. Before kinetic energy, it was on the tree. So potential energy into kinetic energy. Okay. Last one, children. Anyone can tell me. Mobile charging. Mobile has a battery. Electrical energy converted into what? It is stored in the battery, no? So battery belong to which part of energy?
Chemical.
Battery you are learning as a part of chemistry.
Chemistry.
So it will be chemical energy. Okay. So when you charge the mobile, electrical energy storing into the mobile battery. Then you switch off the charger and you start speaking. Correct?
Yes,
so when you start speaking, you will call it as mobile discharging, because whatever energy you stored in the mobile, you are using for talking. So in that case, what conversion taking place again? Chemical energy into
discharge.
Chemical energy into, maybe if you are talking, it will turn into what type of energy? If you are talking through the mobile, chemical energy of the mobile will turn into what type of energy? When you talk, what energy?
Sound energy.
Sound energy. Suppose you are watching YouTube. So what type of energy conversion in that? You are not talking, but you are using mobile to watch YouTube. So what type of energy? Chemical energy into what? You are seeing something, no? So what can we call it that? Visual energy. Correct? Watching movies, watching TV, all these are conversion of electrical energy to visual energy. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I hope you clear about it. So Wednesday, come prepare for gravitation. We will have revision. Okay? Okay then.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.